Mayday, mayday, mayday. Shamrock 1-2 Golf. Engine failure. Climbing straight ahead. Stand by.
Approach 2000, enter 72, uniform Mike, climbing 5000.
Enter 72, uniform Mike, Gdańsk approach, VSAM, identified. Climb flight level 280, free speed.
Flight level 280, free speed, 72, uniform Mike.
Enter 72, uniform Mike, force spacing, turn right heading 180.
Right heading 180, enter 72, uniform Mike. Enter 72, uniform Mike, request right heading 220 due to cloud.
Enter 72, uniform Mike, heading is approved.
Turning right 220, 72 uniform Mike. And enter 72 uniform Mike, we are maintaining heading 230 for next 20 miles.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, Roger, report ready for Bosla direct.
Call you ready for Bodva direct, enter 72 uniform Mike. Approach enter 72 uniform Mike, requesting holding.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, confirm your request holding.
Confirm requesting holding in present position.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, Roger, holding is approved, and stop climb at convenient level.
Stopping climb level 120 and present position holding at 72 uniform Mike.
Copy, approved. Enter 72 uniform Mike, when ready, report status of aircraft and its engine.
Yeah, just stand by, we are trying to figure out what's going on, and in a couple of minutes we'll make a report to you at 72 uniform Mike.
Copy.
For the time being, we continue present heading to just, and now in 30 seconds we are about to start holding due to weather reasons, and we'd like to request flight level 100 at 72 uniform Mike. Correct, we will stay on flight level 120 at 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, everything is approved.
Approach at 72 uniform Mike. Approach at 72 uniform Mike, we need this heading for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, and our status, we are working on checklist, and due to technical reasons, we will have to divert to Gdańsk, but just give us approximately a few minutes to regain status of the aircraft, please. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, that is copied, present heading is approved. Report when ready for the approach and position.
Okay, for the timing we will have to burn some fuel, so we have to be airborne for some time. We are making calculations now, working on status of aircraft, and then we will advise you for further information. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, information copied.
Thank you. Approach enter 72 uniform Mike.
Go ahead.
We are over Golf Delta 704, and we are starting holding right hand patterns.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, that is copied. Second, the point you will start the holding?
Golf Delta 704, we just started holding.
Roger, approved.
Approved. Approach enter 72 uniform Mike, because of the weather, now we will turn left towards Golf Delta 531.
Approved.
Thank you.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, approach.
Go ahead, enter 72 uniform Mike.
We just received a call from your operational center, your company, and they are asking for the reason that you stopped the flight to the destination, and they are asking if it's technically possible for you to divert to Warsaw.
Okay, information copied, and in a moment we will contact them via frequency.
Dziękuję.
Approach enter 72 uniform Mike.
Go ahead.
Due to technical reasons, we have to declare status band ban.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, Roger.
Okay, and our status, we had to shut down engine number 2. We are still working on checklist and calculating performance, so we will need approximately a couple of minutes, as I said, to burn some fuel. And for the timing, decision is to go back to Gdańsk, but unfortunately due to weather we have to fly across the clouds So please keep eye on our position and just say something if we will just exit your space or whatever. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, all the information is copied. Advice you would like to stay on flight level 120 for now?
For time being, yes, and later on, in approximately 1 minute, we will call you for some holding closer to the field. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Roger, no problem. So for later on, you may plan a holding. There is a published holding over Golf Delta 904 if you can find.
Okay, Golf Delta 904 copied. If we will proceed direct Golf Delta 904 for holding, we will advise you. Enter 72 uniform Mike. Approach enter 904, ready to copy. Ready to copy intentions of correction. Ready to copy instructions of holding over Golf Delta 904.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, Roger. So confirm you are unable to find the published holding?
We have a lot of work, so we would like to hear from your instructions. We are now proceeding direct Golf Delta 904 and we are ready to copy instructions for Golf Delta 904 holding. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, of course. Proceed direct Golf Delta 904, flight level 120. Take present track as the inbound when you finish the turn. Outbound left turns and outbound time 2 minutes.
2 minutes outbound left turns and present track as inbound. For the time being, track is 065 and 72 uniform Mike.
That is correct. Enter 72 uniform Mike, just for traffic planning, if you could give me some info how many minutes you will need to hold more?
Approximately 120 minutes, its initial calculation. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
120 minutes, that is copy, thank you.
Approach enter 72 uniform Mike.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we are aware of Russian airspace, but we can see because we are now on VMC that hell is below us. Can you propose us some points on the right-hand side of our track to make a holding? Because on the left side there's a lot of bad weather area. So we're trying to find some suitable points, but if you will give us some advice, we will be appreciated. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, information copied. You are actually quite far away from Russian airspace. You have still about 21 miles. So I suggest that if able, you can make a right or left turn to a heading of 090, and I will tell you when you can hold with present position.
Information copied, so now turning right to heading 090. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike. If able, continue right turn heading 120.
Right to 120. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike. Would you accept present point as the fix and present track as the inbound with right turn for holding?
Right turn for holding. Present position approved. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Copy, thanks.
Just to be sure, we are performing now starting holding and confirm left turn for us. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
72 uniform Mike. I would prefer right turns as in about 1 minute you will be like 10 miles away from Russian airspace. So if able, right turn.
Okay, we've just started left turn, so first circuit we have to make the left, please. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, that is not a problem. I need you at least 5 miles from the Russian airspace, so it will be fine.
Okay, information copied. Enter 72 uniform Mike. So, just to be sure, next circuit will be to the right. Enter 72 uniform Mike, or we can stay on the left?
Enter 72 uniform Mike, you can stay with the left turns if it's more suitable for you.
Okay, so we'll continue outbound and then we'll select again holding under 72 uniform Mike. Enter 72 uniform Mike.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we know you are kind of busy due to weather and us, but in some time can you inform our company that we declared planned status and we have to burn the fuel, and our final definite decision is to return back to Gdańsk. Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, we already informed your company operational center, and they called us, so everything is set.
Information copy, dzięki piękne. Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, we'd like to ask you about situation, about tough weather, because due to planning purposes we have to, organize approach, and this CB, clouds, and whole weather is about to move in towards the airport, and how you expect when it will show up and when it will be clear over the airport.
Copy, standby. Last report from the tower. The thunderstorm is on the both sides of the airfield.
Okay, but it's moving from the east to the west. Confirm Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
That's more or less.
Okay. Project Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
72 Uniform Mike, go ahead, please.
Yeah, we'd like to ask you about weather information. We have plenty of fuel, so we have a lot of options to go there, but is there any more suitable airports around the area? Just to let us know, for example, Szczecin or Modlin, as we heard, that it has much better weather around its own area. Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Copy. We already checking the match report from all the airports, so it looks like the only in Gdańsk there is some problem, let's say.
Okay, information copied under 72 Uniform Mike. Approach under 72 Uniform Mike, we would like to request match report from Echo Papa Sierra Charlie and Echo Papa Bravo Yankee. Szczecin and Bydgoszcz.
Copy, standby.
Mike.
Copy, latest match report, Szczecin. Wind 040 degrees, 4 knots, variable 010, 110 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers, thunderstorm, cloud speed 100 feet, broken 8,600 CB, temperature 22, QNH 1005.
Weather copied.
And Bydgoszcz now, wind 090 degrees, 9 knots, visibility 10 kilometers, cloud speed 4,900 feet CB, temperature 27, QNH 1006.
Weather copied, and we'd like to ask you, is there Szymany, Mazury open today at this time? And if it's open, can you please also give us weather report from Echo Papa Sierra Yankee, Echo Papa 72 Uniform Mike?
We'll check standby.
Standby.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, approach.
Go ahead, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
This airport Szymany is open until 9 p.m. UTC. Weather is good, and because there is only AFIS, tower is not operating.
Okay, so we're requesting some match reports from Szymany and Poznań as well, Enter 72 Uniform Mike, because of the Bydgoszcz.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, latest report from Szymany, wind 150 degrees, 4 knots, variable 110, 210 degrees, visibility 10 kilometers, light shower of rain, clouds scattered 1,800 feet CB, temperature 27, QNH 1009.
Match report copied, looking for Poznań. Report Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Poznań, wind 090 degrees, 13 knots, Cav OK, temperature 29, QNH 1005.
QNH 1005, rest of the weather copied, Enter 72 Uniform Mike, thank you.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, approach.
Go ahead, sir.
We've got on the phone your operational officer from Warsaw, and his suggestion is to fly in case of diversion to Warsaw.
Information copied, Enter 72 Uniform Mike. We tried to reach contact with them on frequency, but unfortunately we are too low to make contact with them, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
That is correct, he's calling for us.
Approach Enter 72 Uniform Mike, request.
Go ahead, please.
It's of course up to you, but can we extend outbound leg on the holding due to comfort reasons?
Yes, no restrictions.
Okay, so at the beginning we will extend outbound leg for 3 minutes, and there are 7 to uniform Mike.
Great, 3 minutes.
Copy. Approach and there are 7 to uniform.
Go ahead, please.
Yes, we decided that for the time being, for this moment, our final decision is to divert to Gdańsk as we told you initially. So if you have time, please contact our company that for the time being, our final decision is Gdańsk, and for the weather reasons, alternative option is Poznań. There are 7 to uniform Mike.
Copy, will pass your message.
Thank you.
Enter 7 to uniform Mike approach.
Go ahead, sir. Enter 7 to uniform Mike.
We were strongly requested to pass you with the message from the operational division that in case of diversion, the Warsaw is most preferable airport due to maintenance or service.
Information copied at 7 to uniform Mike. Approach at 7 to uniform Mike.
Go ahead, please.
Okay, so our final decision is to divert to Gdańsk. Sorry, to proceed to Gdańsk after fuel burn, and in case of diversion from Gdańsk, option 2 is Warsaw, and there are 7 to uniform Mike. And this is decision due to our altitude we are operating.
Copy. Enter 7 to uniform Mike, latest net report from Warsaw, wind 110 degrees 10 knots, cap OK, temperature 25, dew point 17, QNH 1008.
Dziękuję bardzo. Approach enter 7 to uniform Mike.
Go ahead.
Yes, due to conversation we could heard from you and some wizards, can you just give us feedback from this wizard plane? Is landed yet or not? Some feedback about approach conditions.
We are already meant to Warsaw runway 29er, and another wizard is on 3 miles final, and according to our radar display, the weather allows the approach for runway 29er, but we'll let you know what the other wizard said.
Thank you. Looking for feedback. Enter 7 to uniform Mike. Approach enter 7 to uniform Mike request.
7 to uniform Mike, go ahead.
We'd like to request you for some weather info between Gdańsk and straight ahead to Warsaw on the line. Is there any CBs en route in case of diversion to Warsaw?
Enter 7 to uniform Mike. In case of diversion, there should be no CB clouds on the route to Warsaw.
Information copied. And we're still looking for updates of the feedback from this second wizard plane.
Of course, sir.
Say bye.
Enter 7 to uniform Mike, request present wind, that's down.
Enter 7 to uniform Mike, wind check 360 degrees 6 knots. For enter 7 to uniform Mike, and also all stations approaching Gdańsk, Airbus A320 with their company reported 28 knots of tailwind at 3,000 feet, and with descent reducing, and at 1,000 feet, right crosswind of 8 to 10 knots. And 2 Airbuses A320 managed to land on runway 29er.
Okay, so copy, thank you. Approach enter 7 to uniform Mike.
Enter 7 to uniform Mike, go ahead.
Yes, from present position, I would like to request direct to Warsaw. So heading direct to Warsaw, and on the way we will prepare to Warsaw and there are 7 to uniform Mike because of the weather in Gdańsk.
Enter 7 to uniform Mike, roger. So you may turn left and fly heading 160 initially.
Heading 160 initially, enter 7 to uniform Mike.
7 to uniform Mike, and confirm, so your final decision is to divert to Warsaw?
Affirm. Our final decision is to divert to Warsaw because of the conditions of the approach, and we have to make flap 15 landing, so our stabilizer approach criteria is slightly different. There is 72 uniform Mike.
And there is 72 uniform Mike information copies. So, as I said, heading 160, and report at which flight level you would like to commence the flight.
Unfortunately to you, we have to stay on flight level 120 for the whole flight. And 160 Captain, there is 72 uniform Mike.
No problem, copy.
And enter 72 uniform Mike. Could you inform please our company that we are diverting, we are heading now to Warsaw?
We will pass the information, of course.
Thank you.
Close, but Warsaw is quite far away, and because of the flight possibilities, we have to change our status to emergency status Mayday.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, Roger, Mayday.
Thank you.
Enter 72 uniform Mike, squawk 7700.
Squawk 7700 is coming down, enter 72 uniform Mike. All navigation, direct point, go seat, enter 72 uniform Mike.
Uniform Mike, contact Warsaw radar 130.625. Have a good rest of the evening. Do usłyszenia. Correct.
Dziękuję za współpracę z
Również dziękuję, do usłyszenia. Od 7 Yankee Foxtrot informacyjnie, jakieś 25 mil przed Wami jest Enterer, który robi diverta do Warszawy w statusie emergency, będzie z jednym silnikiem lądował, więc po jego lądowaniu jest możliwość jakichś opóźnień w Warszawie, także taka sugestia z obszaru, żebyście się nie spieszyli za bardzo.
Dobrze, dziękujemy za informację. Tyle myśli podchodzi.
Warsaw approach, dzień dobry, kłania się Enter 72 Uniform Mike, Mayday, information Juliet on board, level 120, anytime ready to descend.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, approach ukłony. Weather is Juliet, and advise, are you ready for descent now, or do you wish to stay a bit longer?
We are ready for descent now, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, Roger, so descent initially flight level 100, further descent in 5 miles.
Initially descending level 100, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, descent altitude 7,000 feet, QNH 1008.
Down to 7,000, QNH 1008, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, descent altitude 4,000 feet.
Down to 4,000 feet, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, descent altitude 3,000 feet, cleared ILS Yankee, approach runway 11.
Down to 3,000 feet, clear for ILS Yankee, runway 11, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, confirm established.
ILS established, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, contact tower 118.305, Tomilego.
118.305, Enter 72 Uniform Mike, thank you. Tower, dzień dobry, kłania się, Enter 72 Uniform Mike, Mayday, ILS established.
Dobry wieczór, Enter 72 Uniform Mike, Tower wind 0908 knots, runway 11, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 11, Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Enter 72 Uniform Mike, Romeo or November 3?
Romeo.
72 Uniform Mike, Roger, vacate Romeo, then behind follow Echo Mike and 25 Romeo. Dobrej nocy.
Romeo, Echo Mike, looking for follow me, just and 25 right, Enter 72 Uniform Mike, dziękuję pięknie.
Dzięki, i this frequency.
We'll stay on frequency, Enter 72 Uniform. So Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Go ahead.
I oczywiście w imieniu władz całej załogi chcielibyśmy całemu ITC nad firmą Polska podziękować za współpracę dzisiejszego wieczoru. Życzymy spokojnego wieczoru i do następnego. Enter 72 Uniform Mike.
Przekażę dzięki pięknej i spokojnej nocy.
Również. So Enter 72 Uniform Mike, and we'd like to cancel emergency. Engines are shut down, so we can let handling towards our aircraft.
Copy that, I'll pass that to the ground services.
Thank you.
Thank you for assistance.
Mayday, 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 Shamrock 1-2 Golf, engine failure.